Lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm just going to share with you a tiny Sephora haul. I purchased a few items from Sephora for their sale. Didn't get as much as I wanted, but I just wanted to share with you what I do have. For $12, I picked up the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquid High Shine Lipstick. I'm actually wearing it today. It's so pretty, perfect for fall. It's in the shade Bite Me. It smells so good. I'll give it a swatch. What a pretty shade. I got another one. This one's in the shade Strangelove. It's a beautiful brown. That's what it looks like. I'll give this a swatch too. Oh wow, that is pretty. Let me get a little closer. Well, that's what that looks like. Then I got a lip gloss by MAC. And it was also $12. I got it in the shade Oyster Girl. It's such a pretty color. I'll just give that a swatch too. This will look nice with a brown lip liner. It's really pretty. For $26, I picked up a beauty blender. It's the Pro one. And this is mine. Like, that's gross, guys. That is really disgusting, and it's all falling apart. Like, that's gotta go. Yeah, so I decided to get a new one. Then I got some samples. I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Do It All Eye Gel, then a Chloe perfume. Ugh, stinks. Then I got Alien. This perfume smells good. That's everything to my video. I told you guys it was super small, but worth sharing anyway. If you purchased something at Sephora lately, put it down below. You know I'm nosy and I want to see. Don't forget to click that notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!